I'm so tired. I just came from the gym. I've been working out today. Hey, can I have a bottle of this water? I'm just so hot. Shelly. Hey, I'm sorry.
Hey, April, I'm sorry.
I didn't mean to bother you. I just came from the gym. I'm just really hot. Can I have a bottle of this water?
Yeah, fine. Hey,
Thank
I was really intent on what I was looking at. I've come across this Maintain, Don't Gain Healthy Holiday Challenge, and I think I'm going to sign up for it. It sounds really cool.
Maintain, don't gain. I've not ever heard of that.
Really?
It sounds like it'd be something right up my alley, though.
It does.
Is there exercise involved in it?
I don't really know, but you know what? I bet I could get them to come to our show next month. Would you like that?
Oh, that'd be incredible. I mean, anything with exercise, I'm game. I want to learn about it. And,
Well, let's do
and the
it.
holidays are coming up, so that's going to be a
Yes.
time that be a really good time to get into it. So yeah.
I think that
let's
sounds
do
fun.
that. Hi, welcome to Living Well with April and Shelly.
Where we're raising kids, eating right, spending smart,
And living well. Welcome back. So today we invited some special people around the Central region who participate in our annual Maintain, Don't Gain Challenge. And I'd like to introduce them today. First we have Lauren Patterson, who is an agent in Robertson County. And we have Aaliyah, who is from Trousdale County. And we have Anna, who is from Marion County, and they're all Family Consumer Science Extension agents. So let's just start out, ladies, with, what is Maintain, Don't Gain? Lauren, how about you? Tell us a little bit more about what the program is.
So Maintain Don't Gain is an educational email-based program. So our focus is on having healthy holidays. So in that, you'll see several different sections that are all focused on how to keep us healthy throughout the holidays. And you'll also see a personal health challenge. So it's a great way, a lot of times during the holidays, we're so busy and focused on other things that we forget to really take care of our health. So that's our focus with Maintain Don't Gain.
Well, that sounds incredible. Sign me up right now.
That's right. So when you say email-based, what does that mean? Is it a newsletter?
Yeah.
Do you go on social media and have to do something?
So it is a newsletter. It's going to come straight to your email once a week. Each Sunday morning, you'll get an email with all of that great information in the newsletter, all of the different challenges and education with all of the Family Consumer Sciences program areas, which is kind of unique about that program.
That sounds very exciting. So what kind of topics would that include?
So we have Holly Jolly Savings that'll teach you kind of how to eat a balanced diet while saving money. So that's always good. We'll have a section that focuses on the family as well as a wellness corner that has recipes. And then there's going to be weekly challenges like she mentioned, and then a section on Move More.
Oh, that sounds very exciting. Very in-depth too, information.
And it sounds like there's a component with nutrition and eating healthy. So tell us a little bit about what will be involved with that.
Yeah, so I'm doing the Move More section, and April, you were already ready because you came in here, you had the weights, you said you had just finished working out, so you're already one step ahead of everyone else. So with Move More, it's encouraging individuals to get creative when it comes to fitness, because truly fitness can be done anywhere, like with or without a gym. And we just want to be that source of encouragement to individuals. So we'll be giving some tips about activities that they can do with YouTube videos, or just like I said, like you don't have to go to a gym, so you could go for a walk in the park or go for a hike with some friends, and we'll have that resource for people.
So do y'all have any partners or other agencies that work with you all on this program?
Yes, so specifically with the Move More, there will be certain counties that have access to fitness centers. So you could either have a free membership for the course of the 7 weeks, or you could have a reduced price gym membership.
Awesome.
Yeah, pretty
wow,
cool.
That's exciting. And y'all came so prepared that y'all gave us some results here. And it says that last year alone, we had a $43,000 sponsorship value. So we're talking about a lot of gyms participate in this in various counties. That's pretty exciting.
I think this is such a great program because I think, that there's some statistic out there that the average person gains so many pounds during the holidays. So I think they say if you can just maintain your weight, it's almost like you've actually lost weight during the holidays. So it sounds like a really good motivational challenge, and we all need that during the holidays.
It does. So are there other ways that you inspire people to stay motivated during the challenge, or is it just through the email-based newsletter?
Yeah, so we have the email-based newsletter, but another great way that we have to keep people motivated and really provide that accountability is through social media. So we have a Facebook group that all of our participants are invited to join, and that's a great spot where we can share additional information and provide the additional support and accountability that people may need during that holiday season.
Awesome. So when is it? When does it start? I want to start right now. Can I start now?
Not now, but registration is open. We will start November 20th. That'll be that first newsletter. So make sure you get signed up before November 13th.
Awesome.
So get signed up for November 13th for that, and we will start November 20th. It will run for 7 weeks, so your very last newsletter will come on January 1st.
That's great. And so how will they be able to sign up? Do we have a link to share?
We do have a link to share.
And we're going to scroll it right on the video, right?
Yeah, we'll put it in the comments.
I think that's good. Are
Yeah,
we good?
I think that's good.
Okay, so we got to do our ending.
Ending.
What's the
Do you want us to leave or?
No,
No,
we
it's
just everybody waves when we're done. So.
Okay.
Just trying to think.
just wave?
Well, until next time.
Well,
I don't know
until
what we're
next
talking
time.
about next time, but
Hold
we'll
the
just.
weight.
We haven't decided yet, right?
Yeah.
Get
Yeah,
your
we can hold the weight.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
we'll hold the weight.
one.
Oh, that's,
I could do like a water or something.
oh, I'll do a water.
We could do maybe like a
Okay, we'll
curl,
just
like
do-
just,
okay.
yeah.
We're recording.
Oh, I'm like over
Are we
here.
doing
literally-
Let's just do a pose.
Are we gonna do like?
Are we all going to do that?
Yeah, let's do this.
Maintain. Oh, we're gonna do that right then.
Yeah.
We can wait.
Yeah, let's
Don't
say
wait.
maintain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But not anybody.
Okay, so you're going to
so
say until
next time, and you'll say
Where we're. Okay.
living well.
Yeah, I'm going to say it, but am I saying it right now? Where we're
No,
living
I'm just
well?
saying you're gonna say that, and then after you say that, we're all gonna say maintain, don't gain. Is that what
Sign
you're
up
doing?
today.
To
maintain,
maintain,
don't
don't gain.
Okay.
To maintain, don't gain. Yeah.
Okay.
And then don't gain is up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maintain.
Maintain,
Don't gain. Okay.
Maintain, don't
Wait,
gain.
don't gain or
Don't-
don't gain?
Don't,
Don't
Don't
gain. Gain
Don't
is
gain.
up.
As long as
Yeah.
you're all going up on the same.
On the, oh, right, that's what,
That-
yeah.
Maintain, don't gain.
Don't
Right.
gain.
Maintain,
Yes.
don't gain.
Maintain, don't gain.
So go up on
Yes.
don't gain.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Coming down on gain? We're just staying up, right?
We're staying
staying
up.
up.
Okay. See, you are the cheerleader.
Yeah.
Elizabeth's the director. Are we ready?
Yeah,
Yes.
it's been recording. That's great.
That's good. I'm gonna do a bloopers at the end.
Yeah, that's good.
So until next time.
Join us with April and, no,
Oh,
that doesn't go into raising kids.
until next time,
Okay, just kidding. Everybody back. Go, April.
Until next time.
We're raising kids, eating right, spending smart, and living well.
Maintain. Don't gain.
Sign up today.
Sign up. See you next time.
I definitely feel like my
Okay.
Until next time,
Where we're raising kids, eating right, spending smart,
and
living well.
and don't forget to register for
Maintain, don't gain.